Okay, orientation. See, the floor's gone. Subfloor. That light is the last vent. Okay. So I want you to count joists. Count joists. I'm gonna try to count them on the edge of the vent. There is one joist. We're gonna start there at the edge of the vent. So we got one joist over, and I swear this fan looks 24 inches. We got second. That's joist 3. This is a double joist, which is joist 4 or 5. And then right here at the corner, see, there's a corner. That house has got to have foundation. It comes in about 3 feet. And in here, we got fail floor. Hang on, hold your mouth. And here, we have pretty floor. So the good news, it's isolated. Let's see, go the other way. Okay, see that? Let me give him a light. Ken? I want him to come over here and open that crawl space door. I might can just kick it, but I don't want to kick it. Maybe I can push it with my hand, or I'll use my Jedi skills. Time for me to test my Jedi skills. You gotta feel the force flow. Look at the crawl space ground. Well, I know my eye can see it, but my camera can't. Better? That's the water line coming in. That's gas. It's copper. It's gotta be gas. That's the end. It looks pretty good.